Shit. Yeah, it's cold out here, man. Gangland Music Group, the omnipotent movement. Yeah, NYC. Take a walk with me, where they talk pretty. Bang shells and blaze L. New York City, it's where they raised Biggie, and they made 50. Up in the hell where the towers fell. New York City, take a walk with me, where they talk pretty. Bang shells and blaze L. New York City, it's where they raised 50, and they made Biggie. Up in the hell where the towers fell. New York City, don't look right or look left, look straight ahead.
Nass that has it.
My voice is hoarse, so I'm not even gonna do the sound effect.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Shit.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming. I'm still here. They say the best finish last, so I guess it's me. D Nass, the truth. Hello, success. It's been a long time. Let's go. City. Sometimes you gotta let the beat I've been waiting all my life for this. See myself on stage performing right in this. What a form of righteousness. Had to sacrifice for this. Took a chance, no advance from the label. And son is really nice with it. We only get one big break in this life shit. It's time to go to Hollywood and do a life big. Die, spend the rest of your life living trifling. Started breaking nights again. The fame was exciting. Nass, you slipping. The dreams right in front of you. It's finally coming true. Wonder where you running to. What? It's been a long time. Come on. Shit. Shout to my brother LPUD. Scramble City, we in the building. Shit. I got a dime and 4 pennies, not 15 cents. 12 years old, first time in the precinct. Mama brought me home and raped my ex till I was wet. When she was dead, I grabbed 100 pack and out the house I went to hit the block again. My whole life changed. I'm a rapper now. Stage name is First Degree. Battles in the hood, spectators calling me nasty. Started writing hooks, made classes with S&B. We do it in the name of FG, bet they remember me. Hey yo, big bro, buddy, what up? What up? My nigga Tails, Unique, Capri, Gangland, Shit. I'm going real light on y'all right now, cause it's about to get real fucking ugly. And no, I'm not a crip. My baby mom bought me these nice blue Jordans, and I ain't matched the shirt.
Let me get it.
Music group. Hey yo, you let your motherfucking gun off. Let's go. My gun game crazy. Niggas in the hood know I let the hammer go. Blow my gun game crazy. How's your gun game? My gun game. How's your gun game? My gun game crazy. Niggas in the hood know I let the hammer go. Blow my gun game crazy. My gun game. I done sold niggas ratchets and stole niggas ratchets. Never was a holster, I don't hold niggas ratchets. Cross the line, I'ma put his soul in a casket. Told y'all before, D Nass is a hazard. Criminal, don't be the next felony. Chopper, make sure he dead. Won't tell on me. Please don't take this for a joke like Bill Bellamy. Sword over stir fire ass like celery. Don't tell niggas better check my history. Been like the Blicky Sweets since RS-53. High, we make home deliveries. You should be wise. Save mama the misery. It's Gangland. Yo, this next joint right here, B. I really humbly ask you brothers to listen to the lyrics, man, and listen to exactly what I'm talking about. The name of the song is called One Man, and I'm basically explaining to you how much pain and hurt and horror that one man with a fucking pistol can cause. If one man came outside with a pistol,
That's my shit.
how many lives he could actually change?
That's my shit.
With one gun and one man. So please listen to me, B.
This is a crazy shit right here.
Gangland.
It's a
Free
crazy
Wayne
shit
out.
right here.
Shout to the homie Bankroll Boogie.
Let's go.
No, I'm not a blood.
Let's go.
I'm from Far Rock, America, like Burn Red from R.I.P. to the G-Stack bundles.
Shit.
We out here like dandruff. Let's get it. Shit, you know the fathom. Or imagined how much pain one man with a pistol can cause. One man with a pistol, kill me, kill you, change everything we've been through. One man with a pistol, he kill me, kill you. I heard you feel them shells burn when they hit you. Wondering if he meant to, what was on his mental. Child slain accidentally, nigga you pull the trigger, so do you really care? The bullets have no name, his life really fear. Animosity was bad, he was never there. That's when the road was a bash that I was never scared. Hardcore is the devil's will, when Jesus wasn't near. This gun helped protect me from my fears. Say the rain is pain and dead people tears. Hanging Saddam Hussein won't bring peace. This AR-14 was made for
Let's go, Nass!
When I see ya, hope every shell miss you. And your child miss you. One man with a pistol. Kill me, kill you, change everything we've been through. Love follow, not those who lie in wait to shed innocent blood. The righteous murder for a cause, the wicked just because. The sons of men are falling, those who took the God's blood. Those who live by the gun, surely die by the sword. The sun is going off, another black grave dog. Demons hunting your soul for shedding a slave's blood. Mountain said any means he died for us. Knew he was a righteous thug, not a drip of blood. Life is love, but you like the snub. Then a rush when the gun pop, sort of like a drum. You know the evil always was Beelzebub. What goes around comes around. Calm as a slut. Hope the gun backfire and shoot you in the mall. See him up and then get you. One man with a pistol. Kill me, kill you, change everything we've been through.
One man with a pistol.
Turn lanes into G's. Make war out of peace. Rain showers of misery. Cowards murder the wrong kind. Never the police. Be my brother like a slave. But Raw needs a king. You can run the game to be a monster in the thing. But the fact won't change. The black man is dying. You can tell crack in the hood all day. None of that won't stop the community from dying. You can call a bitch, smack her face all day. None of that won't stop the black woman from crying. You can sail in the hood all day. None of that won't stop our community from dying. I'm implying a thought. One man with a pistol can kill me, kill you, change everything we've been through. One man with a pistol, one man kill me, kill you, change everything we've been through. Rest in peace to all those who passed away, so we can live today. Gangland Music Group. I was on tour with my son SPUD.
Yeah.
Saw the horse, but trust me, I get it in. Shit, let burn red firm. Rest in peace to my brother, Raekwon Elliott, aka Stack Bundles. Squad up, the team building. Shit.